Hey everyone, Technomentary here with the video for you guys. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to install a privacy webcam cover on your laptop. We're going to be using it on an Acer laptop. Sometimes these come with your laptop. This one came with this laptop, or you can also buy it on sites like Amazon, which I'll leave a link for it if you're looking for it. So these are really easy to install and add an extra layer of privacy. So let's see how to install this one. It should be easy to do. So let's go ahead and open this one up first. Here, nice little ASMR for you guys, and then here it is. So I'm gonna go ahead and take it off. So here I have two covers here that I can use. So I'm just gonna use one here. So I'm gonna go ahead and take this one off here from the bottom. You have to be very careful that you don't take the adhesive off. So this one, right, and basically under the sticker it is the adhesive. So first thing you want to kind of figure out where you want to line it up. So generally you want to line it up where this hole right here is basically where the camera hole is. So you can just slide this over. So this one over here basically slides. Now there's different ones, but generally you would line up the hole right here, just about there, putting that cover right the opening where the hole is, right? And then that way you can slide it over. So that's the key here, so is that, again, the key here is having that spot that you're seeing right there in the hole. So I'm going to go ahead and be very gentle. Sometimes you want to be very gentle with it like this. Let's go ahead and right like this. Again, do not touch that, that's adhesive. And then you can just go ahead and really line it up underneath here, and just a little bit to your thing. So again, just like that, and you're gonna line it up so that it can actually close. So right here, as you can see here, I have it right here. Press it down just with your finger. Do not overdo it. You don't want to damage the camera, and that's how you do it. And then the camera would just work where you just slide that over, and that will add that privacy cover. So again, that's how you do it. Simple and easy. I hope this video is all helpful. So please consider a like and subscribe button for more tips and tricks. We'll see you guys next time.